He's gonna end up getting
Water. Shot on.
I think he's dead.
At least the hospital's right over there.
Yeah, that's comforting.
You
have to change your bike. You want to change your bike?
It's
easier getting up. Come on, change your bike.
Why do I have to stop? Why do I have to stop? Let me get him on video. Can I stop? I want to get him.
Shrimp.
It's not gonna bite.
Shrimp. It's dead.
I know, but he's just gross looking. Matt! You were a little close for comfort.
Chili beans, man. So I really want to catch a fish. Why'd you have to get so close?
It's not close.
It is close. It's very close.
What does it need to be far?
Well, a reasonable distance would be good. Oh yeah.
Fucking oysters or clams or whatever this bullshit is stinks.
Even though the shrimp is dead. Doesn't matter.
I need some bait.
I do as well. But I've just done a really good cast, so I'm just gonna leave it there. Come here. Yes, I love you.
I love you too. Ooh.
Great. This is really relaxing.
I know. Except for that mean fucking shrimp. They're not relaxed. I don't know why.
Would you be just gonna meet your face? Yeah.
Yes.
You know that you was going to die in the next 10 minutes.
I think I could handle it.
You could handle it.
I mean, what do you have to be scared of?
Death.
Why are you scared of death?
Why wouldn't you be scared of dying?
No.
Really? You're not scared of dying?
No, I'm scared of not living enough, but not of the actual dying.
What if you died? But if you got,
I'd be scared if I was murdered.
yeah, exactly. You got really, really hurt before you died.
I mean, it depends. I think I wouldn't be scared, but I would be in pain.